skit.
Oh.
You know, where they're like, my buddy Josh, who I used to play soccer with, who's now a dentist, and his dad, who was my soccer coach, have their dental practice in Olney, Maryland. So I'm actually gonna get fitted with Invisalign, and I'm gonna show you guys my entire experience of dealing with them. They like literally took dentistry and they took it into the next world. This is like the future of dentist work. Like, you just gotta come check it out. Hey guys, this small business spotlight is going to be about Smile Designs of Olney. I used to hate going to the dentist, but now that I have someone that I trust, I'm all about it. So the last time that I went to the dentist was like 10 years ago, and I had a cavity filled and it was so painful that I never wanted to go back. I had extreme anxiety even just getting my teeth cleaned. But then when Josh hit me up and he was like, hey man, you should come check out my practice. I'm working with my dad. You gotta come. And I've known Josh since I was a little kid. We played sports together. His dad was my coach. So if there's anyone that I was gonna trust to not give me a ton of pain in my mouth, it was gonna be Josh. And I'm so glad that I did, because I had an insane amount of cavities going on and it was super hard for me to chew. I couldn't eat food properly anymore. It was just a serious jumbled mess. So he got me all sorted. And now we're working on straightening my bottom teeth and getting my top teeth, which shifted, back into place with an Invisalign retainer.
So Invisalign's a pretty simple procedure. What we do is that we take impressions and scans and we send it to our company in our lab, and we use these algorithms to try to move your teeth to these new positions that we want. And you come in, we put these little buttons on your teeth, and with these trays, you wear each tray for about 2 weeks at a time. Over a period of months or years, your teeth move to the new position, and then you have a nice, beautiful smile. Pretty routine process. We have our intraoral cameras, and we use these cameras to zoom in 20 times to really show you the little nitty-gritty things, the little areas of decay that the naked eye would not be able to see. And it keeps us honest. It allows us to really show you what's going on and tell you, listen, I can't make things up, but I'm gonna show you a picture of exactly what I'm seeing. And then I give you my recommendations.
You tell me about the club that you guys have. I bought into it last year, but can you explain the benefits of why somebody would want to become a member?
Sure. So we have our own Smile Club. We saw that there was a need for a lot of patients who either have really bad dental insurance or have no dental insurance. We create our own in-office insurance policy, and what it is, it's a yearly fee. I think it's roughly around $349 for the year. That includes all your cleanings, all your exams, all your x-rays. So it's roughly less than $1 a day to get dental care. It gives you also a large percentage discount on any dental treatment you possibly could need in our office, depending on what kind of disability you come to us with. But we have a lot of patients who actually have had their own dental insurance and realize that, oh wait, I'm getting better care and service, and I'm not having to wait for my insurance company to approve things. So they're actually getting rid of their dental insurance and instead signing up for our Smile Club instead. It has been a really successful program, and it's filled a void and a need for a certain subset of the population that really hasn't been able to access dental care or has been afraid because their insurance they know is not great. And it's really opened a lot of doors for our practice and for the community. We really, really enjoyed it. It's a team effort.
Oi, oi. That feels weird, man.
Yeah, it's a little strange.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like braces, you know?
Yeah.
The first couple of days in traditional braces,
Yeah.
you're always a little sore. The first couple of days with each tray, you're feeling a little sore, but after a day or two, it feels normal again. The tray, you'll feel it losing it. It'll lose its memory after about 10 days, and that's why we do 10 to 14 days to change the trays out, because the memory will be gone. There will be no more movements for the tray to use. So every new tray, you're slowly moving these teeth every single time.
Okay. Cool. And then how do I, like, if I was to go eat or drink something, like from drinking?
Water is fine.
Okay.
Anything soft is okay too. You should be very, very careful. Be really soft.
Yeah.
It's fine, but ideally, whenever you're eating anything, take them out, do your thing, brush, and then put them back in again. Besides that, pretty routine. Cleaning them, soap and water. I'm only giving you this one tray today.
Okay.
You're gonna come back in about 10 to 14 days. And we'll do a little bit more adjustments on you.
Okay.
And then we'll give you about 5 trays at a time at that point.
Cool.
And you wear each tray for 10 days. You come see me for the next trays and make sure you're tracking properly.
Right.
And you're all done.
Awesome. Fantastic. It's been a pleasure.
Of course, dude.
Thank you.
Any problems, questions, you let me know. We'll take care of it.
All righty.
Awesome, dude.
Cool. Check these out, man.